Companies searching for a strong data scientist are looking for someone who can clearly and fluently translate their technical findings to a non technical team, such as the marketing or sales departments. A data scientist must enable the business to make decisions by arming them with quantified insights, in addition to understanding the needs for their non technical colleagues in order to wrangle the data properly. Hence, an effective communication skill comes in the picture. Data scientists act as a bridge between complex, uninterpretable raw data and actual people. Though cleaning, processing, and analyzing data are essential steps in the data science pipeline, this work is useless without effective communication. Effective communication skills help promote data literacy across an organization and amplifies data scientists' ability to make an impact. When data offers a solution to various problems or answer business questions, organizations will rely on data scientists to be problem solvers and helpful communicators so that others understand how to take action. It cannot be emphasized enough how important strong communication skills are to be a part of an effective data science team.
Hi everyone, thank you for watching the video and welcome to my channel. This video was a part of the complete Udemy course that talks about the multiple non-technical skills you must have to become an effective data scientist, for which the link is in the description. Do not forget to check it out.